Get ready for the ultimate tablet experience. Samsung's Galaxy Tab S10 series has leaked online, and we've got the inside scoop. From fresh designs to exciting upgrades, let's dive in. Design and display, a familiar yet fresh look. The Galaxy Tab S10 Plus and Ultra sport design similar to previous models, but with a twist. Anti-reflective displays and enhanced armor aluminum frames take center stage. Specs and features, a powerhouse unleashed. The Galaxy Tab S10 Plus packs up to 12GB of RAM, 512GB of storage, and a massive 10,090 mAh battery. Cameras, IP68 certification, and Wi-Fi 6E support, what more could you ask for? A Galaxy Tab S10 Ultra, the crème de la crème. With Wi-Fi 7 support and a larger display, the Ultra takes it to the next level. But what sets it apart from the Plus model? Comparison and conclusion, which one is right for you? Weighing the pros and cons, which Galaxy Tab S10 model fits your needs? Let's summarize the key differences. With a massive 14.6-inch display and slimmer bezels, the S10 Ultra takes tablet viewing to the next level. Plus, its curved edges and flat back make it a stunning device. Up to 16GB of RAM and 1TB of storage make the S10 Ultra a beast of a tablet. Plus, its powerful 11,200 mAh battery outshines even the iPad Pro. With an extra front camera and Wi-Fi 7 connectivity, the S10 Ultra makes capturing and sharing moments a breeze. Plus, its IP68 certification and enhanced armor aluminum ensure durability. While both models share many features, the S10 Ultra takes the lead with its upgraded specs and cameras. September 26th is the day Samsung will officially unveil the Galaxy Tab S10 series. Expect a European market release soon after, with a worldwide rollout likely to follow. From €1,119 for the entry-level Tab S10 Plus to €1,999 for the top-tier Tab S10 Ultra, we've got the price breakdown. Will Samsung keep similar pricing in the US? If Samsung follows last year's pricing pattern, the Tab S10 Plus could start at $999, while the Tab S10 Ultra might begin at $1,199. But remember, no base model this year means higher prices. From smartphones to home appliances, Samsung is betting big on AI. Now, a dedicated AI key is coming to Galaxy Tab S10 keyboards, but what will it do? With new optional keyboard attachments and a dedicated AI key, Samsung is making it easier for users to access AI features. But how will this change the way we interact with our devices? Will the AI key have a single press function, or can users assign any Galaxy AI feature to it? The possibilities are endless, but only time will tell. A dedicated AI key could be a major differentiator for Samsung's latest keyboard attachments. With 45W fast charging and likely S Pen compatibility, the Tab S10 series is shaping up to be a powerhouse. But will it be enough to justify waiting? Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more exciting tech content. Until next time, take care.